Simpoteng ne ke na le gigi ka tsena o sa ka re o nyo practice makeup ka ena ke thome ka mo support bona ke bjang
When we got what jar.
wa ona ga ke jai ke leso
I don't want to get home.
wa be ape ka mpong ka re kona ke tswa sa mo ke chabile mmushareng o ile something bona ke
Trust the process.
bona kala ya ka bona kala wa bona mara wa mara
Get the blender. When I get the blender.
a ona nto yo blender ka re ke le kori
Go.
o ka re ke le kori ya lo bla ke tla
When we got.
Hello Mzansi and the world, welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's funniest videos. Please guys, like, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Azish. Oh, my chance are cooling down. Spring is around the corner. Mara ice cream.
Ga cheater wa cheater mara ga thoma business how to be business ga reka koloi ha o reke koloi a patela dibili ha o patele dibili a reka nto ha o reke nto wena o dula o emetse opportunity ya bofefela opportunity ya bofebe ke yona o dula o emetse o phela o le ready o re ka se cheat nna ka se cheat a khone mara di lo ding nice ha o dire basadi yes
Mon frère fela motho, mon frère fela jiki motho ha sana data, ha sana phone, birthday ya e next month, a tsebe tšhelete rent o tlo e zama kae, a sana grocery
And tomorrow ke batla go roma go toropong kwa go shopong o mpotse ha o sa qualify wa nkutlo o mpotse ha o sa afford gore wena o ka ya free wa tswa free wa ya o mpotse ha o sa afford ene engwe ke gore o file ke mang opportunity yo bula beka ka ke self decision o file ke mang opportunity o bula beka ka self decision o tlhokomele wena jo muskont
Au, motswadi.
that's true again
Zama AI ntate.
wemzala
O phalwa ke alostro. Oh, weekends in Tatole wa easy.
I was chilling in my backyard yesterday.
Hey, backyard?
Yeah.
You live in an apartment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not your backyard, man. That's outside.
Everybody's-
Yeah, that's everybody's outside, right?
That's outside.
Matter of fact, I might pull up too.
Drunk player. He doesn't look drunk. Oh, he's drunk.
There are three types of abomahlalela. Number 1, ilihlezi ihleli endlini. Le singayiboni estradini sibona sometimes. Le should manje endlini bahlale bayarasela ngokuthi ayikhiphanga ishibo early or idla ukudla kwabantwana or bahlale bayifunela umsebenzi mfethu bayisendela ama poster wama pilot wama engineer lapha inometric kuphela uyayithona. Ayihlela la intameni mfethu le. Number 2, ile dedicated ngifuna ispan. Le driven mfethu, le serious ngifuna ispan. Thola ukuthi into enizomphakathi khona. Mfethu ama up and down. Uhlala uyibona izulazula mfethu le.
Yenza iplan.
Ulisa ka 17 ngelanga. Le mfethu inebhadi. Thola ukuthi ayina strategic grants sokufuna umsebenzi. Uthola recruit abantu na ayisebenzi. Thola umsebenzi wakho bathi noma uno grade 6 bayaqasha mfethu. Futhi manje bafuna ama firefighter lapha ya 13k sebakutshela nge 13k salary. Sekajabulile sekacalculate le mali mfethu. Le inebhadi mfethu ithola lo msebenzi lebhedayo, le ama sim card or le ama insurance yokufundekela abantu. Number 3, ile delusional. Le ifuna ukuphumelela ngomusic or ifuna ukuphumelela ngorap or ngani. Iserious inhleke nje uyayiba ukuthi talent yakho bafika better le yakho.
Akuna la yakho.
Angeke kuye ndawo ngalento. Uvela uzibonele nje. Itiri yenza music or lezi ezenza ama motivation or ama rustation or za rap angazi zenzani. Zithi ikawu asibayenzela ama correction ngesikhathi laba banama depression ngesikhathi sama nation sekela ama-determination uyayithola kawo
Ti-rap.
yilaba bane-roster njenge-rasta malumela iganja uyayithola kawo ngithile noma-7 senze into eziyi-7 ngo-7:30 uyayithola kawo labantu abama-7 ivale uphinde uyiphendule uphinde uyiyekele ibe lusi danko.
ene o batlang monna koloi o reka tse 2 a ba mo fa e 1
That's it.
simple
That's
o
it.
tlo nna bafana baka
Joe, kopelo ntsene ka mo nkentse 2000 ka mo Shoprite ya mo. Mara before tsama kopelo tshwara phone ya hao le spatch and then tlankra ka montle. If Flora saka ba betha katse, o tlo fihla.
Hey, udumela yang.
I call my pastor Lodge because Otembing Kosi. I made a belt out of watches. Call it a waste of time.
Oh, okay.
I have bars for lunch. Call me Lunch Bar. I beat you because I'm rude. Call me Beat Rude.
Rude.
If East is dark, Kuzo Kanye West.
I know.
I call South Africa Majikizela in this World Cup because I win.
Ah.
I gave Musi a loan. Now he doesn't want to pay me my money.
Issue.
I was standing in line to get my hair cut. Call it a barbecue.
Oh.
Hello, Mama. How are you? Good. It's just this one, please. I don't have one. Oh, it's on special. It's fine. I think I'll just pay with this thing.
Okay.
You don't know it?
Huh?
It's Apple Pay.
Huh?
It's Apple Pay.
Apple juice.
NANI? It's like a special.
Huh?
Okay. Thank you. You don't know about it. You can try it. You can get on it. Pay with it. Yeah. Thank you.
And if Lord Waiz or already is a local brand, kopela lona o ya pare. Cause lena la parabola costa burile lena le rape sa bo mollo thabeng le re tloela blind. Take it back.
Usanukula kanza kwethu. Imali yakho sikode ibuyele kusikode. Sikode akubuyiseni imali yakho. Ngiyafuna nayo. Indaba ungamnikezi. Uzokushaya lo mina. Uzongigibesa mina. Hayi, ayingayini leyo. Sikode ungamshaya. Bataka utshwala la.
Ethi imali yokugibela.
Kahleli bakwethu. Hayi. Usanukula. Kanti malini lobanga la?
Awukhiphe face, awukhiphe bafu banikeze face. Yeah, banikeze face ngcono face. Since now 20 rand. Now 20 rand. So ni 20 rand. Seyilamule ngcono lento.
Yini manje
Now 20 rand. Ndinikeze isinkinga manje.
Usanukula na.
Now 20 rand.
Mama, kwenzakalani? Ablanani ke kahle. Hey, don't fight guys. Bye. Taka maboy.
Scoop Chaka. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next upload. As I should, take care.
It's